In Soapstone, the cluster is in a very bad situation, rather I'll say working conditions are very poor. Definitely we must think about the working condition, and Pushpanjali is trying to provide a facility center for our own members, for the producers, those who are working with Pushpanjali, a better working conditions than the cluster. And in our facility center, we are very much particular about these all facilities, that these artisans have good power fitting, proper wiring, using mask as well as using gloves. And Pushpanjali is taking care of these things, how to improve further, and we are regularly trying our best to improve the conditions. The business is also growing, and these producers are also getting better income and growing their business. And some of the artisans, producers who were with us in the beginning, now they have their own business also, because they learn a lot from Pushpanjali, and we have given them the opportunity to meet the clients directly, and they started their own business also. This is also one of our biggest success, that many of our artisans are entrepreneur now.
We have tried to empower the women in this cluster with the scarf product, and we have identified these women as to have employment, because earlier they were ideals, they were housewives, so they can have additional income through which they can support their families and children.
We are also providing some sort of assistance to the children of our artisans in cash, so they can meet out the basic needs of the children for education. Regarding health, we organize medical camp every month on 18th in the village, and all the artisans are free to come over there. They don't need to pay anything. Moreover, for our own group, for our own producers and for our own workers, we have a doctor. They can go to the doctor, free access to the doctor, and they don't need to pay a single penny as a fees. Medicines will be given by the doctor by free of charge, and Pushpanjali take care of those facilities.